Hi, my name is Ryan McLaughlin. I'm an enterprise account executive for Youreka, covering the manufacturing space. Youreka impacts manufacturing organizations by providing a platform that makes it easy for manufacturers to build smart mobile service applications. We help discrete and process manufacturers make scalable procedures for their field technicians. This could be health, safety, and environmental procedures, or it could be traditional break, fix, installation, maintenance procedures. Youreka allows technicians to follow guided procedures and workflows to help them do their job no matter where they are in the field. Youreka's goal is simple: to simplify the complexity of what occurs on site for a field technician. We're providing this capability regardless of internet connectivity, ensuring that they have the tools needed to get the job done, whether they're online or offline. Mobile forms can have a tremendous impact on the manufacturing space. This is where it gets really exciting. So the ability to capture data in the field is huge. You can pull out your camera or your phone, document what you're doing, and have that information go into Salesforce instantly as your central data repository. And then you have the full power of Salesforce to run actionable business intelligence out of that. The other big thing that's huge from talking to manufacturers is the ability to monetize service. Everyone wants to turn service from a cost center into a profit center. And with Youreka, we can help you do that by empowering your field technicians to recommend revenue opportunities. And then one of the big things too is our ability to keep your workers safe. Imagine a worker pulls out their phone and they can fill out their protective personal equipment checklist, or their JSAs, or incident reports and near miss reports. If they identify a hazard on site, they can take a picture of it, document it, and send it to the right people to address it. Another big thing is OSHA reporting. We can always help with that. And one of the biggest areas where I think we benefit most is Youreka's ability to provide guided procedures. The reason this is important is because approximately 70% of field technicians are going to be retiring within the next 5 to 10 years, creating a huge labor shortage and skills gap. So accelerating the transfer of knowledge across your workforce is business critical. Youreka helps new hires perform like seasoned experts using guided procedures on their mobile devices from day one. So imagine it's your first week on the job. You're going into the field to fix a complex piece of equipment. With Youreka, guided turn-by-turn procedures can help you have the same knowledge as one of your more senior workers to get the job done with faster, improving first-time fix rate, and giving you the benefit knowing that the work was done right, well, efficiently, regardless of whether it's your most experienced or least experienced worker. One of the most exciting and I think coolest parts of Youreka is our ability to provide advanced AI. With Youreka, in addition to Salesforce Einstein Vision, we can do image recognition. So you could take a photo of a part using Youreka and identify what it is. Or you could do a retail inspection. Maybe you're a paintbrush manufacturer and you're going into Home Depot to take a photo of how your paintbrushes are displayed. And that photo can confirm, are the prices right? Are they displayed right? Is the promotional material around them right? And what are the competitor products around it? And all that information across thousands of stores at scale all goes into Salesforce, and you have beautiful analytics and dashboards on it. It's really powerful stuff. So I'll leave you with this. To be successful in the future, manufacturers are going to have to evolve. They're going to have to deal with some of the challenges we're seeing in the workforce and some of the new things we're not even aware of yet. That's why I'm so excited. Youreka is the future of field work, delivering the next generation of technician excellence.